This video is demonstrating the execution of the distance vector algorithm. Here we have a debug, start without debugging. All right, so now we're going to enter the trace 3 so that we can see everything. And here we have all the information. So what starts off with is all the initializations. We can see that we have right here to layer 2, source 0, destination 1. So from node 0 to 1, telling the information it has. From node 0 to 2, information it has, 0 to 3 information, then 1 going through. And we knew this was going to happen because of the code right here. When it's initialized, send out the distance table, all the information to all the different nodes. So if we look, we also know that if it's this only happens if the node's connected and not to itself. So we can see 0 did not send 1 to 0, only 1, 2, and 3. And here we know that node 1 is not connected to 3, so therefore 1 sends 1 to 0 to 2, and then it does not send 1 to 3, and 3 does not send 1 to 1. It sends 1 to 0 and 1 to 2. So this is all of them being sent out, and then right away we can see that node 1 found a better way to node 3 through node 0. So node 1 receives a packet from 0, and it realizes that this 7 right here makes it so that it can get to node 3 because node 1 was originally not connected to node 3 in any way. So it says, okay, so it takes me 1 hop to get to node 0, and then 7 hops to get to node 3 from there. So it will take 8 hops to get to, or 8, not hops, 8. It will cost 8 to get to node 3. And then it has to output this new information to all the other nodes. So therefore, it sends out this new information. And then right away, it receives another thing from 2, node 1 does, and it realizes that it's faster to go through node 2. So node 2 updates it, so now it takes only 3 to get from node 1 to node 3. Now this continues as time goes on. It continues finding better ways. 3 found a better way to 1 through node 0. It updates its table and sends it out. Continues to happen, updates its table, sends it out, updates its table, sends it out. Continues to happen till there's no longer any new updates happening. So all of these are sent out, but no updates. So, well, there's one here. Node 3 found a better way right at the end from 2. Found a better way to get to, looks like, I'm not quite sure actually, but it found a better way. And then finally there's no more. And so finally all of the nodes have the updated, same exact updated distance tables. And therefore they will all route the same way to get from one node to another because they know the shortest paths to get there. And that is the testing. You can see that if things were changed, then the nodes would not be able to find better paths.